Hey guys, I'm Karen Lab from English Tutor Hub, and for today's video, we're gonna learn about the English translation of madiskarte. So if you want to know what madiskarte means in English, then keep on watching. And before we start, if you want more English to Tagalog and Tagalog to English translations, visit EnglishTutorHub.com and proudpinoy.ph. For sure, it will help you a lot. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng madiskarte? Ang madiskarte ay nangangahulugang mga pamamaraan, balak o mungkahi ng isang tao upang makuha ang nais o maisagawa ang isang bagay. Lalo na sa buhay, kailangan maging madiskarte tayo upang mabuhay. Ayon sa tagaloglang.com, minsan ang madiskarte ay maihahalin tulad sa panliligaw, ang nakakaakit ng salita o kilos ng tao sa sinumang naiibigan. Kung kaya, sa madaling salita, ang madiskarte ay nakukuha ang naiibigang babae. At heto naman po ang mga kasing kahulugan ng madiskarte. Maparaan, diskarte at madaling makahanap ng solusyon. Bago tayo magpatuloy, huwag kalimutang i-like, share at mag-subscribe sa ating channel. At kung gusto nyo pa ng maraming English to Tagalog translation and Tagalog to English translation, visit EnglishTutorHub.com and proudpinoy.ph. Now, let's talk about what is madiskarte in English. The word madiskarte could be translated as resourceful. The word resourceful means having the capacity to come up with quick and creative solutions to any problems. Now, let's talk about the synonyms of resourceful. So we have strategic, imaginative, inventive, creative, clever, bright, talented, gifted, able, capable, spirited, and enthusiastic. In this example, I'll use the word madiskarte and of course, I'll translate it into English. Okay? Kailangan maging madiskarte tayo sa buhay. In English, we need to be resourceful in life. You already know what madiskarte means in English, and there are a couple of words in the English language that could translate into madiskarte. However, the use of these words depends on the context of the sentence. Therefore, be mindful of what you write and what you say. Huwag pong kalimutan mag-comment kung may natutunan kayo sa ating video at pwede rin po kayong magtanong kung sakali. At maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po. God bless.